Welcome back to Earning with Bits. Let's take a look at ClaimCoin, a great site with dozens of PTC ads. Get started by signing up with your Faucet Pay email. Now log in. On your dashboard you have your PTC, Shortlinks and manual Faucet. Your main balance is on the slight right of your dashboard, and your daily bonus is right below. Don't forget to claim your daily bonus. Let's get started by clicking on Manual Faucet. Solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. Collect your reward. This should reset the timer. Success! Now go back to your dashboard and select PTC. As you can see, you have almost 100 ads to choose from. Okay, select one of the iframe ads and visit the website until the timer runs out. Now do this for all the ads. When you're done, you're going to want to withdraw. Go back to your dashboard and select Withdraw. Now choose your Faucet Pay or C wallet account. Select the coin and fill in the amount at the bottom of the screen. Once you're done withdrawing, go to your Faucet Pay or C wallet account to make sure you have received your deposit. If you don't have a Faucet Pay or C wallet account, you can get one by clicking on the links in the description below. Thanks for watching Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.